Would you believe I made these Chinese chicken dumplings at home? From making a really spicy filling to making the dumpling dough and filling them, then steaming them in a bamboo steamer, and finally making a chili oil sauce to throw over these dumplings. Join me as I make these 24 dumplings. Step 1 is making the chicken filling. Start by placing 500 grams of chicken mince into a pot. Then add in 1 small onion diced, 1 green chili chopped into fine pieces, 1 carrot finely grated, 3 tablespoons of chopped spring onions, 3 tablespoons of chopped coriander, 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper powder, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Soy sauce tastes a little salty, so don't add salt into this filling. Mix all the ingredients together and then add in 1 tablespoon of butter. Add in 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger garlic and cook this until no water remains in the pot. Then leave it to cool while we start making the dough. Step 2 is making the dumpling dough. To a bowl, add in half a teaspoon of fine salt, 2/3 cup of corn flour, 1 1/3 cup of cake flour, and mix these ingredients together. Then add in 2/3 cup of boiling water. Using a spoon so you don't burn yourself, mix lightly. Then use your hands to make a pliable working dough. The dough is a crucial component of these dumplings, and this is the texture that you will need to get while making it. Cover and leave for 20 minutes. Doing this makes the dough softer and easier to work with. After 20 minutes, divide the dough into 24 equal portions. Roll out each one into 8 cm circles and leave aside ready to be filled. Step 3. How to fold a Chinese dumpling. After rolling, you're ready to fill and fold these dumplings. Keep a bowl of water aside and taking 1 piece of dough. Smear water around the entire surface. Then add in a tablespoon of the filling and seal the top first, then start gathering the right side and finally the left. Let's show you another one. And isn't this easy? Do this for all until you have all 24 filled and leave aside. Step 4 is making the chili oil sauce. To a saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil and then add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, half a tablespoon of red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of chopped spring onions, and cook this on high heat until it thickens, usually about 5 minutes. Then pour into a serving bowl and leave aside. Step 5 is steaming the Chinese dumplings. To steam the dumplings, I'm using a bamboo steamer with 2 layers, placing this over boiling water. I have used parchment paper to line each layer. Then place the dumplings over the parchment paper. Stacking the layers and closing with the lid, I place these over the boiling water. You can also steam these in a pot, but they will stick to the bottom, so be careful. Watch the link above to see how properly to use a bamboo steamer. After 30 minutes, you will have the softest dumplings ready to eat. And let me show you the inside of these dumplings. Look at that. Perfect. Step 6. Plating the Chinese dumplings. These dumplings are best eaten while hot. So after steaming, immediately pour the chili sauce over and you are ready to serve these. Soft, juicy, spicy, and delicious. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until the next vlog, happy cooking!